In this tutorial, I'll show you how to ink shadows and details to outline snowdrop flowers, step by step. You need to have your outlined flower as a starting point. When it's ready, start shading. Step number 2, create shadows and depths with hatching. I'm using a hatching technique with more wavy and organic lines. I'm hatching with different lengths of the lines. Some of them are shorter and others are longer. This helps to create variation and dimension to the flower. It also makes the flower look more natural and delicate. The edges of the petals also have some shading. This gives them more shapes. The inner areas remain lighter. It makes the petals look more three-dimensional. In overlapping areas, draw the lines closer together. This creates deeper shadows. Now you can draw the details on the stems. Lightly add small texture lines along the stem for a more natural look. Remember to put closer lines in the areas of shadow. Also add dots at the end of some lines to make the transition from dark to light smoother. Now you can proceed with the next flower. Just follow the same steps. You can also experiment with your line style, making it more straight or wavy. You can also use different thickness of the lines. In the areas of shadow, make the lines more thicker. Thin, gentle lines near the center of the petal to show the depth and softness. Now you can refine the inner petals and the stems. Next step is to shade the leaves. Follow the veins of the leaves with curved hatching lines. In folder or curved areas, make the lines closer together for shadows. Keep some areas lighter to show highlights. Also add small dots near the edges for a softer transition between light and dark. Your flowers are almost done. Now the time to put final details. Go over the whole drawing and make some adjustments. You can deepen shadows where needed or smooth out any rough lines. Check the balance to make sure the shading looks even. Now you have your beautiful inked snowdrops. Thank you for watching and remember to like and subscribe.